Brian Janey here, Allegro Piano Service in lovely Fallbrook, California. I'm here in front of my action regulation bench with a piano action from a Young Chang Grand. Um, there's not a whole lot out there that I've noticed on YouTube and other places regarding this, but there are certain vintages of Young Chang Grand pianos that need an extensive amount of work because of a manufacturing flaw. For vintages of grand piano between 1990 and 1998. There are a number of names other than just Young Chang that you might see on those pianos. I think there's Klein is one particular grand piano name that comes to mind. It was made by Young Chang. Also Kanabi, which is what this grand piano's had on it. Also Weber. That was another piano made by Young Chang, and I think there might be some others. But the thing that you want to pay attention to is if it's a Young Chang, if it has a serial number, which is how you tell the date, that betrays it was made between 1990 and 1998. There is a strange thing that's taken place with those actions because of the metal that they used in the action brackets, which are basically kind of what holds the action together inside the grand piano. The thing is that the metal, strangely, almost mysteriously, through some chemical process, changes shape as it ages. And it basically expands, it creates weird spaces in places that need to be stable, and makes the piano action pretty much non-functional. For some people, they just think there's something the matter with it. It plays super heavy, it doesn't respond very well, it's sort of weird. But that's actually what's going on. It was a manufacturing flaw by Young Chang. They were at one time actually doing warranty work in regards to this, but they're no longer. All of those pianos now are out of warranty. Most pianos come with a 10-year warranty. They were actually assisting and paying for the work. They were providing the parts, but not any longer. So if you come across one of those pianos in the used piano market and you're considering it, be wary of what's going on, because this is a pretty extensive job to disassemble the action completely, put those new parts on, line things up, and then go through and basically do an adjustment or a regulation on the entire grand piano action. It's going to involve probably at least 4, maybe 5 full days of me being in my shop working on nothing but this. So you can imagine the expense involved there. If you have any questions about any of this, feel free to hit me up. You can contact me over my website, which is pianoserviceandrepair.com, or feel free to phone me as well. My numbers are all there. It's been a pleasure. Thank you for being here. My name is Brian Janey with Allegro Piano Service.